Welcome back to HARBRO Freight Quality Videos, lowest prices. And today it's been a bit, we have our sneak peek to the Wednesday flash sale. And before we get there, if you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. It helps the channel a lot. And I hope you all did well during the extended parking lot sale. Anyways, let's jump right in. Valid Wednesday only, save $250. $250 normally $800. 1 day flash sale. Hurry. Wednesday 8/27. So you got a couple days to plan. Items shown here is 59137, 71358, but then in California you get the 72899, 549.99, $250 off. And yes, we will get the calculator out. And yes, there is 100 ways of doing this. And yes, I'm going to keep doing it the way I normally do it, although I am open to suggestions. But $250 off of $800. It's 31% off. 31% off. That's better than the generator days, if I recall correctly. 31% off, almost 32% off the Predator 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology, and of course, limit one per customer while supplies last, in store only. So let's take a closer look at the generator. 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator, normally $800. RV ready, ideal solution for RVs, home backup, and more. PGMA compliant generator, is quieter than a conversation, which is suspicious. I'd like to see that. Has CO secure carbon monoxide shut down for safety. And let's just take a quick peek at the product overview. Super quiet, powerful, 212 cc engine, plenty of power for RVs and other applications. Of course, we mentioned CO secure technology, pure sine wave inverter, safely used for sensitive electronics such as smartphones, laptops, and TVs. Electric start with non-spillable battery, over 11 hours at 25% fill-up runtime. Electronic speed control, optimizes engine performance and maximizes runtime. 4-wheel for easy portability. Includes two 120 volt 520R outlets, 120V L530R twist lock outlet, and 112 volt DC. Complies with ANSI and PGMA G300 2018 standard. Lead acid battery included. Battery voltage 12. Low oil shutdown, yes. 11 hours of runtime. Max AC starting watts is 3500. Sound rating 56 dBA. 6 horsepower. And warranty information: we guarantee this emissions control system on your engine will be free from defects in material and workmanship for 2 years, provided there have been no improper maintenance, misuse, or abuse of your engine. We guarantee this product to be free from defects in materials and workmanship for 90 days from the date of purchase. Limitations apply. Please see product manuals for details. That is interesting. $250 off. $250 off. But now let's verify to make sure that $250 is a deal. So here we see that the last deal for this one specifically, outside of generator days, was December 3rd, allegedly December 3rd, down to $600. $600. It looks like Black Friday, and maybe it was the extended Black Friday sale going on December 3rd. So Black Friday is the lowest that it's been, and there hasn't been a deal on it since at all in 2025, allegedly, outside of the generator days. And we're seeing it down to $549. So $50 cheaper than the lowest price that it's been at. Now, this did go up in price back in June of 2024, so that's good. We haven't seen a price change, and that was the price for about a year, since December 2023. And it's been trending down. It originally came out at $900 back in 2022, so that is good. Trending down in regular price, and the coupon that it was lowest at was at $600, both regular coupon and ITC. But we're seeing it at $550. So best price, great deal. If you haven't picked up a generator, is this something you're considering? Let me know. Seems like a solid deal. It is a solid deal on a generator, and I'll leave it at that. How did everyone's extended parking lot sale go? How's everybody's wallets feeling? Is anybody in trouble at home? I'm sure you are. Either way, the HARBROs are here for you. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Again, please consider liking and subscribing, and as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.